Namaste. I'm Master Kamal, and today I'm going to discuss about pains that you might have in your neck or shoulders or in your upper back or in your lower back or even in the hips. It could not be due to lack of stretching, it could be due to lack of strength. Join me in my new and invigorating workshop which I'm going to do soon, and this is called Yoga Isometrics. So I'm going to do on September 21st at 10:30 to 12, and I would like you to come and join me to learn this. You're going to do a series of exercises, the isometric exercises designed to strengthen pulling muscles which are rarely done in yoga. With the isometrics, you will awaken the shoulder external rotator like the infraspinatus, the teres minor, and you will help repair and strengthen these muscles which could be the main cause for your neck and shoulder pain. So come and try. They are very, very helpful for you. And also we slowly move on strengthening the chest muscles and the core muscles and the hips and the gluteal activation exercises, which are very, very helpful to do many postures easily, like the locust, like the bow posture, like the camel posture, like the cobra posture. So these are isometrics helps you a lot. You will also do the block supported exercises from seating postures, and also we're going to do something like side lying exercises, and also we're going to do supine position. And this block support exercises will help awaken both the push and pull strengths within your body, and also it will help awaken strength and stabilization in your hips and also for your joints and bones. So join me in this yoga isometrics.